Well, g'day tubes. How is she hanging? Pretty good here. So today is work on the little bike that someone ripped the chain off on. I do somewhere have noisy. Hang on, let me find it. A master link that kind of ripped off the other one. So we're gonna go in and tear that master link off, see what happened. See if we can fix it. Hopefully we can, and hopefully we don't have to put on a new chain, although I do have a whole roll of chain for that one because I figured Dale would ride the snot out of it, and I think we've only put 2 chains, maybe 3 on it now, and that's it. So we got her here. We're going to pull a couple little covers off, see what we can see and see what we need to do. Alright, so probably just do this cover, I think. Ooh. Got Dill here with me today.
Hello.
Tool man. Yeah, I think we can maybe get away without having to take the actual chain guard out, but if we have to, we can. You should grab yourself an extension and then go the other way with that ratchet too. I'm gonna grab a bucket to sit on here. Old man. Ah, that's better. So, I don't know what happened. These links probably aren't superior good quality, but got a pack of 268 of them for $3. No, I'm just kidding. No, it was like a pack of 10 for like 40 bucks or something, whatever it was. A while back now, though. Should be another real nightmare bolt right under there, too. That's gonna suck getting that one off. Put them right there, bud. As long as they don't roll off, we'll be all good. So, whoa, don't bust your knuckles on the... Them thingies would suck. These are not too sharp, but in motion, if you hit it fast enough, it would probably suck. So you probably pull that ratchet off there and then just use it as like a screwdriver-y kind of guy too, right? I'll hold this so it doesn't fall off. I think there's only the 2 bolts holding that on. Do you believe? Is it able to turn or no? Still too tight maybe. Many hands. Not quite, eh? It's loose enough to turn it nice and easy with the ratchet, but it's still too tight to turn in my hand. Go figure. Go figure. So, was this chain really loose? You said too, or?
Pretty loose, yeah.
We'll have to see how it is when we thread her back on. You know what? We might as well pull off that chain cover too. It's just as easy. And we're not fighting it around because I know it's a pain in the butt to get that off too. Try pulling that whole cover off, maybe. Yeah. Without losing your. Ooh, what happened in there? This guy's got to come off too, I think. Bunch of mung. Yeah, I think that's oh, it got all wedged in there too. That's not so good. Oh, there we go. So that guy will have to go back on. I don't really know what that part does, but ooh, she all jumped off and everything. Have to try to fish that guy out of there, I guess. Yeah, let's pull this cover up too. Got 4 bolts, I think. Shut up, geese! Hope you guys could hear that. At least they're leaving. They'll be back. Oh. Yeah, I don't really know. I guess that's a spacer. Spacer that goes in there, kind of thing. I'll have to remember to put that back on and put it somewhere where I'm gonna remember to see it, hopefully. There's a sensor right there. That's kind of a dangerous kind of spot. It's probably a little oil sensor or something. Wow, that really got jammed in there. 5 bolts. Oh yeah, 3, 4, 5. Wow, they got that real sealed on there good, don't they? Now what's under here too? That should be just loose. Oh, while he's doing that, I'm gonna try to get this fished out of here. Maybe not. Oh. So just drop that right out of there. And you work on that, and I'm gonna have a look at this thing here, and we'll see if it's wore out real bad or not. And if it is, I'll have to go down and cut us up a new one. Probably not bad, but I'll show you how you figure out how it's worn out. Actually, this one I can tell right now is pretty good still.
Size of bolts on there.
Is there?
The two bottom ones there is a different size.
So that chain is actually pretty good yet, but I'll have to look at it a bit closer here. I think it might be junk, though, as in one of the links got wrecked. So my snowblower, for instance, so there's a small chain drive on that. It gets so bad I can put the chain into a U shape. It's really bad. This one's actually pretty good yet. And what happens is it gets play in between the pins. So each pin gets play, gets play, gets play, gets play, and it makes it kind of go, it'll go basically like this, kind of U-shaped when it's on its side though, and that's not good. So yeah, that's pretty good yet. I'm not going to worry about this chain, other than she got a bit crammed right there. I don't know whether I'd want to keep running this because it's not going to track around very good. Like it's got to go around a fairly tight bend. And boy, oh boy, she did a good job on this. Someone must have been jumping it. I don't know who was doing that. So I got a whole roll of it down in my other garage. I think I'm just going to go cut a new one and we'll just put a brand new one on. Of course, I don't have tools up here for cutting chain. And you need a punch, and actually I have a chain breaking guy. I'll just take it down. I'll make a new one and come back. Okay, there's old versus new. It doesn't really look like it's much different at all. That top chain is probably fine. It's just there's a couple of spots where it got jammed that I just don't want to be running it through like that. So I mean, I got a roll. I think it's like 100-foot roll of this stuff back when he got this bike. So I'm like, you know what? We might as well just put a new one on while we got it off. So make sure everything's nice and cleany there, Dill, where it runs down. Yeah, we got gloves on now too because this stuff, I don't know, this Chinese grease, it's just horrible stuff. But okay, so I imagine we will probably have to take the chain tension off. So we're going to do that, but we're going to trial fit it here first just to see if we have to or not. We may not have to because I don't think this chain is stretched a whole lot. We might have to tighten it up though. So, but anyways, let's get the new one in position here and see how she's looking. Okay, you're going to try to thread her on.
Sure.
It's in neutral right now, and maybe we'll put that. Should we put that in the first gear or not? I wonder. I guess we'll just, because sometimes this will fight with you to roll off, and we'll. Yeah, maybe we'll. There, that should be. What the? What's going on here? Uh-oh. There we go. Whoo! I was a bit worried there for a second. So yeah, try to fish it in around one at a time here, kind of thing.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what's going to happen. It's fighting a snake, Dill, even though it's not going to bite you. It might actually be better to start it at the top and then let it roll through. So I'll put that neutral here. There we go. Make sure that stays on there. Pulling her out. Okay, get her on there, and then get this one up, and then try to latch it on the sprocket on the back there. No, you keep rolling it backwards until they come back onto the sprocket. Here, grab the other one too. I can't hold the camera and that. Okay, and then try to thread them onto, so you got to get it within one though, so we might have to take the it's amazing how tight it is even though it was loose, eh?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to take some tension off here, I believe, Pull that back again just for a second. We'll put it in gear so it won't give away on us there. Okay, should be right now. Should be. What is going on there? Hold that again. What the crap is going on with this? Maybe because it's not running. Oh, that is weird. Hope it's not, like, broken. Can you not get one more?
No.
Darn close, eh? If we maybe compress the wheel, we might get it. I think that might make it worse too, though. We're gonna have to rate tension anyways. Okay, so we gotta get, what is these? A couple of 10 mil wrenches, I think, on there. And gotta unloosen that axle too. Okay, let's get some other tools going here. Okay, we're gonna try, push that pedal again, get this right down. We're gonna try to compress it down, see if that'll go on, because it was probably pretty good tension. Pull this guy out now. Yeah, I'm gonna sit on it. It's like a half a link out.
Not even.
Well, I guess that other chain had stretched half a link. Alright, we're gonna need tools, Dilly. Okay, so we can get you on one side here. So we got a 10. Oh, I don't like that much. Okay, give me that. Is that a 12?
Yeah.
I think the other one's a 12. They really don't give you much to latch on to. Oh, let me try. I really don't like doing it that way, but holy dumping, they don't give you much here at all. And then rounding that off. Shut up, geese. There we go. Okay, so this tensioner is loose. I didn't just mess up the threads. No, not yet. We gotta do the other side. Alright, let's see if this one will just pop off. Oh, that's a little better. There's like a jam nut here, but we need like super thin wrenches or something because these are really narrow. Okay. So we're going to need a pretty big socket for over here. And I think that's probably about an 18-ish. Roughly 18 millimeter. Need to put this jack up a little more.
Oh, it's a 7?
No, I need one for this side.
Oh, that's
Because this is the nut side. The other side you just hold. Yeah, so that's good for there. Okay. No, that's too big. You need a 17 and probably a 19 for over here. Tools, tools, tools. Tools. Hard to get out of that case, aren't they? That's a 19. Okay, we're good there. And we probably need a 17 over there for the axle side. So I'm going to give this a push here and we'll see what happens. Might be alright. We're going to need it to hold the other side. Okay, we can push our wheel in now. Sweet. Okay, shove that wheel in a bit now. There we go. That's the play we needed, I think. Look at that. Okay, roll that back around a bit. Stay. Okay, master link time. Can you look in the box there and find a pair of needle nose pliers to get this guy apart? Okay, what you doing?
Gotta get this off.
Yeah, pinch them.
Oh, that's not big enough.
No, go from the very outside to the first pin.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. But do it like lengthwise, like laying down wise. No, you had it right the other way. Hold it the other way.
This?
Yeah, but then put your tool down flat. Yeah, so you get both ends. Go a little bit further. Yeah, a little bit further and tool flat. Right down flat to it, yeah. And just give that a little pinch and it should just clip off and then it'll come apart. Get down lower with it. Yeah, right. Here, you hold that piece and I'll show you where. So put it right like that and then get both of them and then pinch it off. So, we got it off. It's good learning now for you. Okay, bring her down here. And you want to put the that little clip on this side. So just put the clip up there for now. Take this outside cover off. That thing will come off. Yeah, eventually it'll come off. It's tight. Okay, put that little piece up there. Okay, now take the two pin things and put them through this way.
Oh.
Oh! I'll hold the wheel. Okay.
Gloves are so slippery.
Gloves suck, but you know what? They keep you cleaner-ish. Hopefully those will line up. They should be the same distance. What's going on there? Let me try to get out of your way a little more here.
Even going this way.
No, it's going to go the other way.
I know, but I'm just seeing if it goes in that way too. Like I'm seeing if it's the right size from that way. Oh, just barely.
You might have to try to squeeze them together a little more. You can. I would better do this because you're gonna have to let me help you with this. Hang on a sec. Okay.
Why do they have to make it that it goes on the inside?
Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay. So yeah, that guy doesn't matter which way he goes. What? Whoa, gee, sorry. But there we go. Okay, so this does matter though. So since we're driving, go away, mosquito. Really? Since we're driving this way, you don't want the open end to go forwards.
You want this way.
You want the open end to go backwards because you're going to be having crap hit it and it's going to want to. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. And then just get the one started. And then this is a little bit trickier. You want to go straight on with it now. And clip on the no, clip on the back and then the last pin there. Yeah, the back. Yep. There you go. We got a new chain on. Sweet. All right, now we got to tension it a little bit. And this is the tricky part because you got to get the alignment right or you'll wreck your sprockets. It runs around, runs around, runs around, runs around. It'll damage your sprockets. So you got to make sure you get the tire kind of, because you can go like either way with it, right? So you want to make sure the tire's straight. So, okay. Let's just back these off a bit more. Dirt on them right now.
It is a 16 for that side closest to us. Oh, what the heck?
17, 16, 15 maybe. Okay, so I want you to come here and do some tensioning on this. Grab your 12mm there. It's over on the far side here. I'll put you through. And you'll be able to see it come up, but you don't want it wicked tight. You want it a little loose, but if you want too tight, it'll wear the chain out and the sprockets out. So don't use your 12mm and adjust that first nut, but use the open end maybe so it doesn't get in the way. You go the other way, yeah. Righty tighty. So keep an eye on your chain too. And you just want to go a little bit on each side and do some on the other side now. But it's already come up quite a bit here, I see. No, righty tighty. Yeah. So now you gotta adjust, there's a lot to do here. You gotta adjust your angle of your tire here too. And it's gonna change, as soon as we ride it, it'll change. So we'll maybe just go a little bit hair tighter. I wouldn't want to go much tighter. Let me see this maybe. Because you can really see the chain move. Like ever so much adjustment there. It's moving it, right?
I can see that.
So how's our alignment? Doesn't look too bad. This one needs to come in a little bit.
You're getting me back tired for 145 too.
I'm actually not liking how tight that is. Start this again here. And this one. Actually adjusted my hand.
Shouldn't we have tighten your axle things first though?
No, that's the last, because that'll pinch it right down. Okay, we're gonna try that. It's a bit tight, but this chain won't take long to loosen up. So, okay, so if you want to tighten your little guy up to the other guy. Stupid thing's moving. See if yours will tighten up here. Mine's moving. I'm gonna have to. Okay, it's moving the whole thing, so that's adjusting the whole chain again. So now we'll be too tight now. Okay, so back this off again. Hang on. Still a bit too tight. Okay, we'll try it there. Okay, I don't like these adjusters on this thing. Whoa. You see that guy? So we got to try to hold the one, but these wrenches are too thick actually for this. I really don't like that. Okay. That one's not too bad. And this one, I need some longer 10 mils maybe. Or skinnier wrenches.
Well, we've got plenty of wrenches. It's not the right one, right?
Oh, come on, get on there. What is going on here? Oh my goodness, this wrench is just way too thick. What is going on here? Okay, just double check this here. I think we're a bit tight, but that'll definitely loosen up once we ride it. We're going to ride it around and then change oil on this too, and the other one I believe. So, okay, we can tighten up this axle now. You got this guy here. Oh, you're still too big. 14. You don't want to strip them things. That's better. Okay. Yep. Yep, should be. $29 foot-pounds, Gil. Make sure it doesn't slip off and break your knuckles.
Yeah.
That should do her. I do believe. Okay.
Want to tighten it?
No, that's okay. Okay, we're gonna fire this old girl up here. And oh yeah. Maybe we better put the chain guard on. Okay, hang on a sec. Okay, we're just putting this together here. There was a weird thing. I guess the chain flaps around or whatever. It doesn't come up and nail you. Get that one. I don't know whether I got it lined up or not there, but feels good there maybe. I think that's just to prevent the chain from flopping. Got more bolts there. Those back there. Those are all the same. Got one more back here, I think. Those are fairly tight.
Tight is fairly tight.
I don't want to strip. See, you don't want to strip them or nothing, but tight and then just a little snugger more. Oh, I didn't get that other one here.
Those are 800s.
Oh, they're tiny baby ones. Okay. Bloody mosquitoes are out. I can't believe that. Of course, it is spring, and they're like, oh, I need food. Okay.
I'm not getting bothered at all by them.
No, I think I'm just seeing things. Seems to be seeing things. Alright, how's this thing looking? Oh, it's kind of jammed. You have to kind of fiddle with the little handle. It's not the best of sockets. Alright, and there's two for this, and then I think the one we're going to put in first. Like this, because it's hard to get in after. A little mark. Yeah, that's good. You just want it good and snuggish. But not enough you're going to like spread some. And these are both 10, so we'll do that one at the same time.
Those are 8s too.
Are these 8s too?
Yeah.
Oh, they are too.
They should be at least.
Here, I'll give you that. Watch the screw doesn't fall out the bottom there. Ooh. This is a 10 you got here now, and 8. Okay.
I didn't check because I just...
What'd you do to my ratchet?
I didn't do nothing.
There we go. It's temperamental. Okay. And then he's going to fight with this guy here. Lots of fun, Dill. That should be alright. That'll loosen up. I'll probably have to retension it a little bit, but might be easier to use this guy in there kind of thing. Get it started. Here you go. I'm the cameraman today. You're the one doing the mechanics. Sure, she's going into the feller. That's looking pretty good. Try to get that bottom guy too before he falls out on you.
Yeah.
It's sort of buried. It's not terrible bad. If we had a little bit longer extension, it would be all right. But it's doable. It's only one screw. Oh, you know what we forgot?
What?
This guy. That's why I put it there, so I wouldn't forget it. Off she comes, Dilly. Good thing you didn't get right on. I should have waited until you got right on. Really? I'm gonna take it all off again? Yeah. I think it's a spacer, I guess. I don't know. Huh. I think it does some spacing. You actually had that one started too, didn't you? Mm-hmm. You're gonna get all dirty down there on the floor.
I don't really care.
Oh, we need maybe a longer extension. Not too sure if it has one or not. But. Okay, so now this thing is probably gonna suck trying to get this in there. We might have to run it through the cover first here. Yeah, because there's a alignment pin on there for that.
Those screws just go through that.
Yeah, but there's two little alignment dowels for it. Plastic dowel things there. Okay, this is going to make it even more fun. Don't you love mechanics?
Yeah, especially the ones that forget everything.
Hey, I can't remember everything. Okay, start the bottom one too. So the thing doesn't fall off on us. Let me see if I can get you another extension maybe for that guy. Shoot. Where'd my other kit go, Billy? Oh, it's in the shed. The container. We'll have to make do. We'll have to make do.
Anyways.
Okay. That's good. We're missing a screw out here too, aren't we?
Yeah.
That's silly. Go away, bugs. So this chain, I guess the old one will be scrap. Scrap.
I'm going the right way, right?
Righty tighty. Yeah, that's right. Those are fairly long screws, so you must be efficient. All right, I think this thing will start. Won't start after all this, I bet. No, probably not. Double check.
Oh no, I didn't get this one in.
Oh, it's not in?
I don't know, it just doesn't feel like it's going in. It's weird.
Let me just feel the socket in there. Here, hold that guy. Feel this guy. Yeah, you're tight there. Crank her in. Come around this way. Try to clear, let's get clear of her obstacles. Socket's kind of, no, you're right. Righty tighty. That should be good. That's good. Check the top one again, just to double make sure. Yeah. Okay, let's get her down outside, fire up, and Junior will put a helmet on and go for a little ride and warm it up. Change the oil. All right, fire it up. Oh, just like nothing.
Choke's on.
Well, yeah, it needs choke. Just kind of stay around here a bit, warm it up.
What?
Stay in and around here, warm it up. Say, what time is it? No, it's only 7:30. I think there is something wrong with that transmission. Oh, okay. Something seems weird with it. I don't know. I'll let him ride around and see what happens. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, I'll get ready for oil change here. Okay, Dale, give her the side of the case just a quick light touch. See if it's warm. Is it warm?
Kinda, yeah.
Kinda, yeah?
Pretty warm. It's pretty warm.
Yeah, that should be alright. Okay, let's shut her off. Gotta figure out what we need for underneath there. It's a socket of some sort, I'm sure. What do we got? Ooh, big one. Okay. Let's get some sockets. Okay, big 17 mil and a little wee bike. That's crazy. I guess they don't want you stripping stuff.
So this one here?
Yeah, it should be that guy there. Close. That's gonna start dribbling, maybe because you don't have gloves on once you get her out.
Holy crap.
Who put that on?
You!
Huh. There you go. So yeah, once you get her kind of down, well, maybe now you, so you don't have gloves on, I don't want you getting coated in this stuff. Oh crap. Okay, can you do me a favor? Give me this, and then you have to get yourself up. And on the by the chain there is a cap for this oil thing. We better put that guy back on before we dump her in. And boof! Out she goes, out on the floor. At least the floor wouldn't rust. Let's see, how hot's that oil?
Probably pretty hot.
Oh, and black.
Oh yeah.
All right. She is pretty black. I guess we changed it last year. Did we not do it last year?
Oh, I don't think we did it last
I think we maybe did it about 4 years ago. I don't remember now. Anyways, we'll let this drain out. We'll just put her up a little straighter here. And let her drain out, and we'll put some new in. All right, not too bad. We'll just wipe off the bolt plug. Dilly's getting oil opened up there and putting a spout on it.
This
I think this one's exactly 1 liter. Darn close anyways.
Well, this goes by pints.
Well, it's probably 946 milliliters. That's what it says on it.
It is 800 milliliters, the whole thing.
What? We're gonna have to open another one?
You brought 3 down, right? Yeah. You brought 3 down.
Yeah, we're gonna do the 125 too. Okay. Let's helicopter up here and open this guy. That's where we had it in. And yeah, she needs oil now.
Oh yeah.
So put maybe half of that guy in. Yeah, we'll just double check it, I think. Because we have to actually lean it up when we check it here.
Oh crap, let's come at the lid.
Squeezing too hard maybe. Something not right with your cap there. Hang on a sec. Whoa, he's 8. Alright, let's add some oil. So this is a 2013 with 2.9 million kilometers on it, just in case you wanted to know. 2.9.
I rode this thing a lot.
You have a lot of hours on this thing, and you know what? It's actually had no problems.
Wow.
Although I think you got a shock leaking. Maybe on that side, but oh well. I don't know, dirt usually sticks to oily stuff, and that's oily. So you can probably squeeze a little more. And let it breathe a bit. You might have to do the...
Yeah.
So you can kind of see how much you got roughly in there now. Squeezing, squeezing. You got hands, use them. Squeeze them.
Is that about enough?
Go a little more. I think the manual says a liter, so... Yeah, see there it says 1 liter. Which is usually 846 mil. Or 946 mil, sorry, but anyways. How much you got there now? Yeah, a little more maybe. It's not breathing too well, is it? Guess we got a tiny little hole in this little cap thingy here. I keep squeezing. Another one and then we'll check her. Okay, pull that out. Yeah, let's check that now and see where we're at. Okay, so Mr. Stick Dip is clean. We'll put that in. Now, I'm not sure if this one, if you're supposed to thread it in and then check it, or just... I like the other bike better, we can actually look in and see it, but this one's a little different.
Which one?
The other bike's different than this one.
150?
Yeah, we have nothing on there yet, so keep going. Keep her going, Dilly. Should have probably checked the spark plug in this too, but it's running so good I don't even want to bother. I think we're good. How much you got in there now? Pretty much the whole thing. Might as well keep going, I guess. Go until she goes. Oh, it went. Pretty sure it says 1 liter, so we'll believe the manual. Okay, tip her up level. That's good. Put her back down. We'll pull this out and see if we got anything on there. Oh yeah, we got some. That's good. I don't think I want to go anymore. That's in the crosshairs, so. Alright, oil change complete. Next victor patient.
Next victim.
Next victim. Alright, the big 125 with the custom FMF exhaust. Let's hear it, Dill. Are you warm there, actually? Yeah, pretty good. Oh boy. Okay, shut her off, I'm deaf. Huh? Wait, huh? Okay, let's go underneath here and figure out where the heck the bolt is. I think that's it right there. And is it a 15 or 17? My mistake, sorry. Yes, it is. You gonna do it? You want me to do it? Okay. I'm using the camera because I can't see under there. Oh, darn it. Now I got it all messed up. Looking in the camera. Okay, this one's a bit of a turd-faced turd to get out.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to... No, that's not gonna work. Too many skeeters coming in at you?
Yeah.
Oh, you love dusk, eh? Where am I going? Everything's upside down. I'm looking in the viewfinder of the camera.
We have to tighten the chain on this one too, real quick. We need to tighten the chain on that.
Okay, that's drilling out. I gotta wash myself off now. I got it on everything. I got some gloves on. Whoa. You might need to grab me another towel there, please. If you could, please.
Get right like that is.
Alright. That one is drooling. Yeah, this one I don't have. It's a different type of chain. It's the other one's a 420 and this one's a friggin' crap. I can't remember. 520 I think or something like that.
And that's already tightened away.
What?
Pretty sure, isn't it?
No, not too far. I'm gonna have to take the link out. Let's see how loose it is. I don't know if I can get a lot more tightening out of that. I might have to pop a link out. When I bought that chain, it was.
I don't think we're gonna change that chain.
Yeah, I put a new one on for a while ago last year, I think it was. It was wore out. Like it was U shaped.
Oh, right, I remember that. Yeah, it was like.
It was U-shaped and yeah, it was U-shaped and I just got it in like a pack. One pack, it was about 12 lengths too long, so I cut it off, but I probably should have taken one more off. We'll look at that after though. I have to. I don't know whether I'll get finish that tonight or not. We're running out of time kind of here. So. Okay, that's pretty good. It's just doing a little bit of dribbling. Going to get this nut cleaned up a bit, this bolt. I'll just let that dribble a minute more maybe. Okay, I'm getting right under here this time. Where the heck is it? Right there. Okay, I don't like this. It's all slippery and I can't turn it. Okay, that's not working. Should let it drip a little more, I guess, but we'll get her here. There we go. I should have let it drip overnight, really, but that's alright. Okay, let's get her socket on there and our ratchet. At least my tools won't rust today. That's good. It's only aluminum, so you don't want to crank the crap out of it. Wiping the tools down a bit. Wipe them again, wipe my gloves off. And, oh boy, I'm all greasy now. Whoop. Okay. Okay, this one's a little different here. With the oil back in the corner here. This one I can't remember what it took now, but we'll do another liter, I guess. So, we want to pour it. Do another full liter. And it might be awful close, but it might need just a hair bit more. I might have a partial one somewhere. Already open here, maybe. Don't remember. This is dealer oil. Probably next time I won't bother getting dealer oil. The manual actually for the little bike says 1030 motorcycle oil. It's like a low foaming stuff, I guess, so it doesn't get all foamy and stuff in there. So we might have to get something different, because this stuff's like $12 a liter. Where? Oh, okay, hang on a sec. Alright. He said it was dripping a little bit, but look at that, eh?
See how much better that is from this?
Yeah, that other stuff probably didn't get changed last year either.
No, I think we changed this last year.
Did we?
Yes.
Ooh. Keep running dirty, Dilly.
I also did ride this a lot at the property though.
Yeah, our friends up our friend's property last summer there. Okay, we're almost out. It's getting lighter. Whoa. Yeah, we'll check out his chain. His chain is pretty loose.
Yeah.
We might. Oh. Okay, so that one's dead. Another dead one.
I don't think we have any more.
Any more who, where, what?
I don't think we have any more oil.
Oh.
For the one that we brought up.
Okay, tilt that up level. Use your two hands. Oh, okay. Oh, that's good. Right back down. Sorry for getting you down here so low. I've got you on the little mini tripod. Oh, we're lots of oil there.
Oh.
It's actually perfect. It's just a hair bit above these crosshairs. I just wiped it off, mind you, but that will be good. Oh, so that's a liter too. I thought this one's a hair bit more. I'm thinking of the 150. I think it's like a liter and 1.2 liters or something stupid. Okay, let's check this chain out. Holy Junior, that is like pretty much junk. Actually, not terrible bad, but it is
Pretty loose.
fairly loose. Has it been skipping at all?
Not really, but whenever you do change the gears, you can definitely hear it.
Okay, well, same procedure as before, except we don't, oops, already have a whole lot more. We can probably get it once more, though, at least. Okay, gotta rearrange you guys. Yeah, we're fighting these silly things again. They're, I don't like them much. I just can't get a good purchase. And they're really thin. Oh, I don't want to twist it off. Ah. Well, let me try that. The other guy here, if I can. This is even worse. It gives me like nothing to grab to. Oh, I got him. Okay, you want to figure out what we're going to need. Probably the same size for the axles. We'll go work on the other side here. Yeah, these, I need a tiny little... Oh, I don't want to turn the whole thing though. No, I don't want to do that. I just twisted the whole stud. Oh, dilly. What are we going to do? I need a skinnier 12 mil. What have I got? Oh, I might have something somewhere. Okay, I managed to get it. But wrecking it. I got on with a 10 mil deep socket. So that's good. Yeah, seen that whole thing twisting there. I'm like, oh geez, won't be doing that. Okay, that should be good. We have to back those off. We're gonna get this big nut here now, though. And what are we doing, Dill?
We're getting a big nut out.
Okay. It's gonna be probably really tight because I put it on like really tight.
Yeah, apparently.
Okay, you want to run this side maybe over here? Give it a little. Oh, it's moving her. Nice job, Dilly. All right, that's probably good enough. Let's go to the other side now. Okay, can we get some more adjustment out of this thing? Maybe I'm just gonna a little more yet. There's a little binding over here still. A little more. Keep going. Might have to. Yes, good. Okay, well, we'll try adjusting her here a little bit and see what happens. So these can go back in. 10 back down. there. Yeah, I think next time, Dale, we're gonna have to cut a link out.
Okay.
Well, one will take it out like ½ inch, so these will be darn near to the end of the threads again.
Yeah.
Oh darn it, we don't have any chain lube up here, do we?
Yeah, no. We got down in the garage last time, too. He's right here, so we do it.
A hair more there. That's not too bad there. Okay. So we'll tighten these guys back on. Alignment doesn't look terrible bad. I think we're all right.
Man, I cannot stand how bald I've gotten these tires.
Oh, you got 100 million miles left on them fellers.
Yeah, sure. Getting traction as it is.
What do you need traction for? You're in the mud.
Exactly.
Okay, that one's good. Go over to this side. Oh, geez. Stupid ratchet, man. Okay, what's going on here? Is that so loose? I guess maybe I could tighten that a little. Are you dying?
No.
You better quit smoking. So they do have these little knurl thingies here. I wasn't really kind of looking at them this time around, but and therefore there's a little knob thingy on there, so we're between 1, 2, 2.5, almost 3 on that one. So that's supposed to help keep you aligned. I think we're pretty close.
Oh, that's really tight.
Oh, is it really tight?
That's really tight.
Okay, I went too much. Okay, we gotta back them off again. Okay, let's just start again here. Well, you guys saw me adjust the other one, so I'll work on this here and then I'll show you when it's done. Okay, she's on. I think we still got it too tight though. I don't know. Something's weird when you tighten these ones up. You got it nice and where you want it, but then you tighten up the bolt here, the axle bolt, and then it goes kind of tight again. It's not terrible bad, but I think that's actually not too bad. It just feels a little tight, but I think we're all right. Okay, we need a bit of schlube. So we'll go down, I guess, and do that. Hey, look at the tire, just sitting there burning rubber. Anyways, yeah, we'll run down and lube her up, and I think we should be good. And that is it, I guess, for today. We're all changed and tightened, chained, and new chained, and oil changed, and I think I already said that, and should be good to go. So anyways, thanks again for watching. We'll catch you all later, and you guys have a good day.